As we continue on in our code, we're implementing random communication attempts in our simulation loop. And when we get to this function call, self.attempt communications entity ID, com method, we should just talk a little bit more about parameters and function argument passing. So we're seeing this function argument passing going on. It's how to provide specific values to functions when calling them, enabling flexible, reusable code that adapts to different situations and data. So self.attempt communication is the function that we're calling. Entity ID is the first argument, telling the function which entity to contact. Com methods is the second argument. It specifies how to attempt communication. The parentheses and comma separation send these specific pieces of data to the function. This creates customized function behavior for different situations. The same attempt communication function can work with any entity and any communication method because we pass the specific data it needs as arguments. Entity ID might be entity 002. This tells the function which specific entity to contact. Com method might be quantum, tells the function to use quantum communication. The function receives both pieces of information and customizes its behavior accordingly. We're demonstrating the concept of sending specific data values to customize function behavior. Instead of having separate functions for each entity and each method, one flexible function handles all combinations based on the arguments you provide. Argument passing provides function reusability. The same function code works for all entities and all communication methods, with the arguments determining the specific behavior for each call, and that creates efficient, maintainable code where one function handles multiple scenarios based on the data you send it. So if you think about Python best practices talking about having one function do one thing, well, what you're doing is saying, I'm having one function do one thing, but in the variety of ways that we need it to so that we can still have reusable code.